I wanted to be a kumu at Kamehameha because I had good teachers. I had teachers who were passionate about our learning and who were committed to us. I wanted to make sure that future students had those same kinds of experiences.
I've been called to be a kumu. I think it's something that's come from within me, from Keakua. It's in my heart. I don't think I've ever chosen it. I think it chose me.
I wanted to be the kumu that I needed and wanted as a kid.
Each keiki is so special and unique. I want to be a part of nurturing their talents and skills so that they are able to reach their God-intended potential.
There are so many wonderful things about being a teacher. One of the things I love the most is being able to be encouraging and to open their eyes to see what their gifts are.
The best part, basically those moments when the child that you're working with kind of steps into that belief that, oh, I can do it.
My hope is that when my keiki leave me, that they will know that they were loved.
That they can see themselves as proud kanaka no matter where they are on their OEV journey.
I think it's important to be grounded in olelo, to be grounded in mo'olelo, to be grounded in their genealogy because that's
who they are. They're kanaka Hawaii. That's what connects all of the haumāna here.
My hopes and my dreams for my students is that they would know their kuleana to this land and to others and to be able to uplift those around them in their own way.
That my students will be OEV leaders, that they will be wise stewards of our resources, and that they will be able to reach out to the world.
So my hope is that I can inspire one of them to take my job one day, because it starts to spread. If one teacher can become 2 teachers and 4 teachers and so on and so forth, then we can really make a difference.